This says, big, large and huge are all the same. So why does a large mistake sound okay, but not a huge pizza order at work? Hi there, I'm your favorite English teacher. Today we're solving a classic problem. Synonyms confusion. Words that are close, but not always interchangeable. Let's get into it. What's the problem? A synonym means a word with a similar meaning, but not always the same use. Let's take these three words. Big, large, and huge. They all mean not small, right? But look. A big mistake. A large building. A huge dog. A large problem can sound too formal. A big problem feels more natural. Some synonyms fit certain contexts better than others. Fun examples: choose the right word. Say or tell. He said hello. He told me a story. He told hello. Wrong. Say is for general speech. Tell needs an object, who you're talking to. Make or do. Make a cake. Do your homework. Do a cake. Wrong. Fun or funny. That movie was funny. It made me laugh. The party was fun. I enjoyed it. The party was funny. Wait, was someone crying in a clown costume? Pick the best synonym. She made a big mistake. He did a good job on the test. Please tell me the truth. Awesome job. You're choosing the right words like a native. Synonyms are like cousins, not twins. Always learn context, not just definitions. Read and listen to how native speakers use them. Now, try this in the comments. That was a video. Fun, helpful, amazing? You choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who always says funny when they mean fun. See you next time on My Favorite English Teacher.